Today we're gathered to celebrate the graduation of class of 19002. The significance of this class is that they have made history today. This is the largest class of 79 Tango SLC that the Academy has ever held in its history. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have learned leadership to include counseling, coaching, and mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem solving. This is all to prepare them as leaders for their respective recruiting and retention battalions. At this time, it is with great pleasure to introduce the Arkansas Recruiting and Retention Arkansas Recruiting and Retention Battalion Command Sergeant Major Brian Smoke. Command Sergeant Major Smoke began his military career on active duty in 1995 as an infantryman. Throughout his career, he has served in a variety of assignments. On active duty, he served in the 24th, 2nd, and 3rd Infantry Divisions. Command Sergeant Major Smoke started his AGR career in Recruiting and Retention Battalion in 2000. He served as a recruiter in Lenoke and Hot Springs, Arkansas. Upon completion of its initial tour, he served as an ROTC instructor for Henderson State and Ouachita Baptist University prior to being deployed in 2008 to Iraq. He was deployed with the 1st Battalion, 153rd Infantry in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom, where he performed the duties of a platoon sergeant in Baghdad, in Iraq. Upon his return, he served 3 years as the Readiness NCO and Scout Platoon Sergeant at HHC 1st Battalion, 153rd Infantry. He was promoted to Master Sergeant and the 39th IBCT as the Master Gunner for the battalion. He was assigned to the 233rd Regimental Training Institute as the Infantry Chief Instructor and as the first sergeant of the regiment. He later returned to the 39th IBCT as the Operations Sergeant Major for the K4 23rd deployment to Kosovo until April of 2018. He once again answered the call to return to Recruiting and Retention Command to his current assignment as the Arkansas Recruiting and Retention Command Sergeant Major. Ladies and gentlemen, Command Sergeant Major Smoke.
It's a great day. It's a great day for all of you to honestly go back out to your states and to continue to be an ambassador for this profession and for the Arkansas Army National Guard. So I come to you today to say congratulations, and being one of the biggest class, I know that there's quite a few of you that have done great things to get to this point, and have had those people that helped you along the way. So I mean, when you look out there and you say, how did I get to this point, and what am I going to do from here? You need to reflect on how you got to this point. So when you come here, you're looking at, you have made the school to get you to join the ranks of the senior non-commissioned officer. And that comes with a great responsibility. When you're looking at, I'm going to be a senior NCO, those senior NCOs, no matter if you're in recruiting, whether you're in the infantry, it doesn't matter where you are, you're a senior NCO and your country expects more from you. Your country expects you, and the Arkansas National Guard, U.S. Army expects you to be a leader and to lead others, regardless of if that is your role or not. In Arkansas, we have team leaders. Our E7s turn into team leaders when they actually make E7. But regardless if you have that role or not, whether you're in operations, no matter what position you have as a senior NCO, you have that charge to inspire others and to lead others. So don't take that lightly when you leave from here, that you have the charge to inspire others and to lead others. So we kind of say, how are we going to get out of this? So one thing I'm going to talk to you about is management of energy. When everyone starts talking about what's the key to being successful, a lot of times we talk about time management. But time management without energy is valueless. So when you start talking about like, hey, I need more time, or hey, I'm going to go talk about time management, when we look at this, I mean, you want to honestly put in the energy wherever you're at. So whether you're going home to your spouse, whether you're on the job, it isn't about the time that you honestly spend there. It's about about your energy that you put out. You can go to work for 20 hours a day, but if you don't put the energy into it, you're not. It's valuable. There's no value in you just going to work for 20 hours. When you look out there, 75% of people in the workforce don't put in full energy. 19% of people honestly are just disengaged, which actually means they're working against the mission at hand. But there's those few that fight the purpose battles. That there's a few that go above and beyond. And when you start talking about great leaders do consistently what ordinary leaders do occasionally. So when you go out and you leave here, we're charging you to be a senior NCO in this organization. Put max effort, consistently do the things that other people just do occasionally. And that goes for PT or anything that you look at. If you go to PT one day a week and you go to the gym, when you come back and look in the mirror, you probably have you'll have no results, and you're never going to get better. But it's about doing it consistently every day that's going to make you better. When you start saying what is excellent, excellent is a habit and it's not an act. So when you look at how we're going to draw from it, you need to reflect in your routine every single day to be better, to have those habits of excellence and not just an act. So when you look at it, try to look at your energy management, not time management. And energy management is a pathway from ordinary to extraordinary. And when you leave here, find someone that is in your organization and that you can inspire and that helps you be better. And today's a great day. Congratulations, and go forth and do great things. Thank you, Commander, for those inspiring words.